The floor of a swimming pool in a hotel was made up a rectangular part and a semicircular part. The figure below represents the floor of the swimming pool. Determine the area covered by the floor of the swimming pool, the area. So we have a rectangle and a same. So area of a rectangle is given by length times width. Length is 12 times width, which is 7. Now area of a semi-circle, a half pi r square. A half times 22 times the radius. The diameter from here up to here is 7. So the radius is 7 over 2 a half times 7 over 2. 7 over 2 is the same as 3.5. Here 1, here 11. 7, 7. So this is 77 divided by 4. So that one will be 19.25 plus 84. So the total area is 103.25 meters. A cylindrical tank of diameter this contains water to a height of this. The water was transferred to a rectangular tank of length 5.5 meters and width 4 meters. What is the height of the water in the rectangular tank? So first let us get the water in the cylindrical tank. A volume of a cylinder is given by pi r square h. That is the volume of a cylinder. So pi is 22 over 7 times the radius. If the diameter is 5.6, then the radius is 2.8 times 2.8. And then the height is 2.5. So 7 ones here 0.4. And this one will give us 61.6 meters cube. Next, now the volume in the cylindrical tank was transferred to this, so the volume is going to be the same. So the volume of the cylinder and the volume of the rectangular tank will be the same. So the rectangular volume of a rectangle will be length times width times height. So the length is 5.5 times width, which is 4, times height, but this one is going to be equal to the volume, which is 61.6. So 5.5, this one will be 22. H is equal to 1.6. So we want H, we divide by both sides by 22. So the height of the rectangular tank is 2.8 meters. A half a marathon race is 21 kilometers long. Peter ran the race in 1 hour, 40 minutes. Determine the speed in meters per second. Convert 21 kilometers to meters. 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So 21 kilometers will be equal to 21 times 1,000, which is equal to 21 meters. Let's change time to seconds. 1 hour, which is 60 minutes plus 40, that is 100 minutes times 62 seconds, that is 6,000 seconds. is equal to distance over time. 21 meters per second. Sam gets a commission of 2% for every car sold. In a month, certain month, he sold 6 cars. The selling price of each car is this. Calculate the commission sum earned that month. So 2 over 100, that is the commission times this. So this one will give the commission for 1 car. So this one, this times this is 0, 0, 18, 17. 17,800 is the commission for 1 car. So 1 car for Kenya shilling 17,800. 6 cars will be what? So it is 6 times 17. So Kenya shillings 10, 106, 800. A wider design a window frame shown as a parallelogram. We have angle A, angle B, and this. So the question is find angle A and B. So A, angle A. So remember these lines are like this. If these lines and these are parallel, the angle here and the angle here is the same. This angle here is the adjacent to this. So 70 is adjacent angle to A, and the adjacent angles, they add up to 180. Therefore, this angle A is equal to 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110 degrees. That is A. B is equal to 70 degrees. This angle and that angle, they are equal. A carpenter designed a coffee table with a triangular table top. A model of the top was a triangle NPQ such that PQ is equal to 7, NQ 9 centimeter, and angle NPQ 60. Using a ruler and a pair of compass only, construct triangle NPQ. Construct triangle using a ruler, and so let's draw. We have drawn our PN 7 centimeters. So let's draw now angle 60 degrees here without using a protractor. So using a pair of compass only, this one, stand here because angle P is here. Open, mark here, the same length, mark here. Remove it, stand here. Connect this. So this one is 60 degrees. Degrees. Now you can confirm with your pair of compass, with your protractor, that this one is actually 60. You can see this is 60. Now from there we know that NP NP is equal to 9 centimeters. So measure 9 centimeter. So measure 9 centimeter and stand at Q. Join where, mark where you meet line P. That is where our line N is. So that now NQ is 9 centimeters. Join N and a Q. That is our triangle. So this one is 60 degrees. 9 centimeters. Measure the size of angle PQN. PQN, this angle. Put your protractor like this. Then read where here. This is 70, 71. So this one angle PQN 71 degrees. Measuring PN. PN. Measure that. So PN is equal to 10.1 centimeters. A grade 8 learners were learning about the nets of solids. The teacher gave the learner a model of a cube of side 3 centimeters, as shown below. Draw the net of the cube. So we are supposed to draw the net of the cube. So I have drawn the net of 3 centimeters. So this is 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. So this is how the net will look like. So we are going to use this net to calculate the surface area of the net. So 1 cube is 3 times 3. So 3 length area is equal length times length. 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. But there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. There are 6 of them. So it is 9 times 6. So the area is 54 centimeters square. The two triangles AB were drawn on the grid as shown. Triangle B is an enlargement of triangle A. Determine the scale factor of the enlargement. So you can now count how many squares the original has. Remember scale factor? Scale factor is equal to, we can use the length of big over the same length of small. Now count the number of squares for the big, for the image. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 divided by object. 1, 2, 3 divided by 3. The answer is 2. So the scale factor is 2. On the grid, mark the point X, the center of enlargement. To get the center of enlargement, draw, remember this point here is the same as this point. So you can use that, draw a line on that point. Again, this point is also this point which has been enlarged into this. So join this and that. So where the two lines meet, that is our center of enlargement. So in this case, this is X, where the center of enlargement is. The number of learners selected to present the school various sport games recorded as shown. Game, number of runners, football, and those represent the number of runners selected for each game on a pie chart. So to draw a pie chart, we need the angle. Remember pie chart? You have been taught how. So first, let's football. Football, that is 18 over the total. So get the total from here. Just add 18 plus this. The total is 60. So the total is 60. So the number of students or learners is 60. So 60, 18 over 60, you multiply by 360, the total angles in a circle. And that one will give us 108 degrees. Netball, they were 12 over 60 times 360, and that one will give us 20 plus degrees. Not 72, sorry, 72 degrees. Volleyball, they were 10 over 60 times 360. That one will give us 60 degrees. Those who are doing handball, it is 9 over 60 times 360. It is 54% degrees, sorry. And those who are doing basketball, it is 11 over 60 times 360, and that is 66 degrees. 66 degrees. Now you draw a circle of n radius you choose, like I've chosen this one. So I'm going to draw the circle of my choice, radius of my choice. That is my circle. Now bring your protractor. Start measuring your angles. So I can start at this point. I can even start here. I can draw my first line. Because this is the center. Now from there, I will start. I can measure football 108. I can stand here and measure 108. 100, 105, 108. And then you draw this. So this one is 108, and this is football. Football. Next one is 72%. I can put my protractor like this, and then measure 72. 60, 70, 71. 72. And this is net ball. From here, I will measure 60. Stand here. Come up to 60. 60 is here. This is 60, and that is volleyball. From there we come to 54. So measure 54. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. this is 54, and that is handable. Now, whatever is remaining should be 66. Let's confirm. Or you can put it like this. Whatever is remaining is for basketball. And that is the bar chart. A teacher wrote the number 10 cards and asked grade 9 to select a card at random. Determine the probability that the number on the card picked is a prime number. Prime numbers between 10 and 20 are 11, 13, 17, and 19. These are the prime numbers. So the total number from 10 to this, they are 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be 4 over 11. So the probability is 4 over 11. Even numbers. Even number from 10, we have 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 over 11. 6 over 11. 11, we count like this: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11. That is the total number of the numbers there is 11.